Okay, before we embark on this recap, I'm just going to go around and check all the polarity of these capacitors. Okay, that was definitely worthwhile doing. There's a couple of things actually. Firstly, I didn't spot that these were non-polarised caps. You can see those there, they're non-polarised, so it's a shame to do all the caps except these ones, so I think I might quickly order to RS have got some of these. But also, more worryingly, see if I can get this on the camera. C118 is in back to front. Now, it's also the same on this board. On the board underneath, exactly the same. So I'm going to do a quick Google search and see if anyone else has noticed this. It doesn't look like it's ever been changed before. C118 is this. It's original solder. It's marked negative on that side, negative on that side, but the negative is actually there. Okay, I'll come back. Yeah, so this one here is reversed. These four are non-polarised, so C124 here has a resistor wired to the positive side of the capacitor. Okay, well that's all the electrolytics out. I still have these non-polarised ones. There's another one there. Apart from that, all the capacitors came out very nice and easily. I think that's because they're using an older style via. See if I can... I don't know if you can see there, it looks very different kind of style to kind of what I'm used to. Okay, that went well. Everything went back in. We remembered C118 round the other way. Okay, let's do the other board. Okay, that's the second board done. I'm starting to wonder now whether that earth join is between two sides of the board in the capacitor leg. I guess we'll find out later, but that's all okay. Okay, what's next? This is probably the most delicate bit of all. I'm going to go full anti-static on this, and I've got an earth on there as well. Now I'm hoping to take these connectors off. I think I'm just going to label them. And I'm hoping to lever this board up so I don't have to undo all those. We shall see how well that goes. Okay, well we're going to test what we've done just so far, and we still don't have continuity to that earth, so we'll see what happens when we turn it on. Okay, so let's just join those earths again. We'll do it on each board. Try that again now. It's quiet. Great, okay, well, that's all working great. No noise at all. We could stop there, but we've still got to do the power supply and this board here, but I'm very pleased with that. Okay, concentrate, finish the job, don't keep playing the keyboard. I lied about not playing around with it. Let's go to... Seems like the tuning is really settled down as well now. So I promise I'll stop playing with it in a sec. Okay, so let's try the output board now. I'm going to try and unplug it and again see if I can lift it out. Doesn't look like all of these plugs. There's a few of these which look like they're just soldered in. Okay. Just a quick sanity check. Yep, still works. Okay, so just 5 more caps in the power supply. So rather than just solder these power connectors back on, I think I'm going to add some heat shrink. Okay, everything is working fantastic. No weirdness, no noise. The only thing left is this missing earth still. If I disconnect it, it goes into some weird oscillation. Now I've gone through everything with a fine tooth comb. I cannot see where this earth joins the rest of the earth. So I think I'm going to resort to the wire link. I'll put them discreetly on the bottom of the board. And I think that's it. So there you have it, a full recap of the MKS-80. Well worth it. In case you hadn't realised, all the audio on this video was from this unit. Just sounds amazing, and it really does sound really good in the mix as well. So still going strong. Cheers.